What up, YouTube? In today's video we are going to install some pedal adapters or pedal extensions, if people would like to call it. I got this from AutoZone. Some Formula Drift pedals, real carbon fiber. They look pretty sick. Never seen these before. I didn't even know these existed. Check it out. That's for the gas, brake, and then we got the clutch. Looks pretty good. So should be pretty fucking simple. My pop said it's a little bitch to do, but overall I think it's gonna bring out the interior so well, since I have a lot of carbon fiber already inside my interior, as you guys can see. A lot of carbon goodies, giving carbon that. So we're gonna check them out. I hope it looks good inside the car, and then we'll go for a little test drive, see how it feels. Shouldn't be too hard. So let's get these on and figure out how to do it. As well, it gives you some hardware, how to use it. Apparently you got to put it like over here and then tighten it. Don't know, this is gonna be my first time ever doing this, but give you some bags, some goodies. Oh, it opens. So let's see how this even goes, because I don't even know how to do this. There is instructions in the back, but it isn't the best. So we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, first one is in. As you can see, looks pretty damn good. It is a 7mm. So I'm going to show you how I did it. So you're going to get the next one, which is your gas. Doesn't matter how you do it. You're going to get all of these. So obviously you need four screws. And then for these little stupid things. So what you're going to do is you're going to put them like this. Just how I'm doing it right now. And then obviously you're going to line it up inside the car. It's a little bit finicky, but once you get it, it is easy. So this is how you do it. And then obviously you tighten one, or just try to do a like almost an X. So do this one first and then this one, and then obviously continue. That's what I did. So I'm going to finish the rest and let's see the end product. As you see, this is how the setup looks like right now. Then you're going to put it in the car. Make sure you do one of these or one of these. Tighten it first with a 7mm, and that's pretty much it. So let me install this one and I'll show you both of them. Alright guys, as you see, the other one is in. Now I did have to take out this bracket and shave down the bolt, so there's actually only 3 holding it in, but they're pretty freaking tight. I am obviously going to go tighten them one more time all the way around. Now we're going to be doing the gas pedal, which should be a little bit more difficult since it has more shit. I put everything on, so we're going to see which ones I use. I might have to take out these, but that's okay. Overall, little Z looking good. Side note, my bumper did come off. I had to zip tie it again, and the back bumper right here, I put another screw, so now the back bumper is higher because it was warped. Overall, the car looks pretty good. So let's finish this install and see the final product. And just like that, everything is in. As you can see, beautiful. Brings out the whole car. Looks super good, even from afar when you get in the car. Like you can see the Formula Drift and the carbon fiber. It is so beautiful. I'm so happy. No more boring ass black pedals. If you can, just get the rev up pedals. Look way better. They're aluminum. These are aluminum with carbon fiber like 3M tape, which is stupid. 40 bucks for that. Just get actual real carbon fiber ones. But overall, can't complain about the quality. Pretty sick. So I'm happy. They look pretty good. If you guys are doing this, it is a little bit challenging at first, but once you get the first two, you already know how to do the rest. It's just finicky, and you can get frustrated. I wasn't really frustrated. I was just taking my time. It's a pretty nice day outside. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Take care.